Hello, my name is Danny Modiano. Welcome to my channel, DMode Digital, where I do free podcasts for business owners and professionals, giving them exposure on the DMode Digital social platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, while creating a lead generating network among participating members. Today I have Christine Steven with me, and she's going to speak to us about life insurance. Christine, what do you have to say?
Hi, good afternoon, Dan. My name is Christine Steven. I graduated from the University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth, with a degree in HR management and a minor in business administration. A little bit of background about me. I have over 25 years in management and sales experience. I started my women-owned insurance business about 2 years ago. As a skin cancer survivor, my passion for insurance is to provide education, knowledge, and protection to anyone looking for insurance coverage. I have worked extensively in growing my business and becoming licensed in 27 states, providing life, health, Medicare, and many supplemental products, working with many A+ rated carriers.
One of the important things we talked about is the importance of life insurance in general. Why is it so important for a person to have life insurance in their financial planning?
Yes, buying life insurance protects you, your spouse, your children, and your home based on the coverage you elect. It's essential protection from potentially devastating financial losses that could result if something happened to you. Life insurance benefits can help you replace your income if you pass away. This means your beneficiaries could use the money to help cover essential expenses, such as mortgage or college tuition for your children. It can also be used to pay off debt, such as credit card bills or outstanding car loans. And this gives you financial security and peace of mind.
One of the things you also said is you offer multiple carriers. What advantage does that serve your clients?
Yes, independent brokers work with a variety of insurance companies to get you the best coverage that fits your needs and budget. This gives us access to many different markets to provide you with policies that work for you specifically, essentially lower rates, less restrictive policies, and better coverage. If you do work with an agent or broker that is only contracted with one company, it can limit you to what they can offer you.
And one of the more technical things we spoke about is the indexed universal life insurance. What's that all about?
Yes. So indexed universal life is a whole life insurance policy. I will explain it works as a whole life insurance policy. Some of the advantages to this whole life insurance policy is a higher return potential. It has tax-free capital gains, such as death benefit being paid out tax-free, which avoids probate. It has no impact on Social Security benefits that you have or will receive. When enrolling when you're young, the lower premiums, and it's safe way to grow your money with little investment. You can borrow against it and pay yourself back with interest. So essentially you are your own bank, and no credit checks needed. There are many riders available to these whole life plans. Simply put, a rider provides additional coverage and added protection against risks such as critical illness, accident protection, and children's riders. Basically, everything under one policy. You can also start an IUL as young as a child. Many grandparents will purchase these policies for their children or grandchildren for financial security and to create generational wealth. There are
Excellent.
some Yes, there are some disadvantages. You do need to be relatively healthy to qualify for an IUL. There are also age limits depending on carriers to enrolling. Every carrier is different. That's why it's great, to be contracted with multiple carriers. It's also more beneficial to start an an IUL when you're young, so you pay a lower premium. The premiums are locked in at a fixed rate and will not change as you get older or if you become sick or hurt. You do need to make your monthly premiums every month, as with any life insurance policy, so your policy stays in force.
Now you carry insurances other than life insurance. What other types of insurance do you deal with?
Yes, I do offer private health insurance as well as Obamacare. For the private health insurance for self-employed, small groups, individuals, and family, you can customize your own healthcare specific to your needs and budget, and your premiums are not based on your income like Obamacare. You can enroll or cancel at any time. Additionally, if you already have health coverage, you can add supplements to your existing policy, such as dental, accident protection, critical illness, and more. I do also offer individual children's policies. Sometimes it's more cost effective to split these policies. Say, for example, if your employer covers you, but adding your family to your employer coverage is expensive, you can split the policies as a more cost effective option, adding your spouse or your children on a different policy. I do also offer Medicare Advantage and Medicare supplements as well.
Right. So there's Obamacare, private care, and group insurance. And we talked about that a little bit. And which one works best for whom?
Obamacare and Marketplace is government health insurance, and that is based on your income and your health, which must be offered to everyone for government purposes. Your monthly premiums are based on your income, which cannot necessarily be essential for someone who is, for example, self-employed. If you make more than what you allocated as your yearly salary, they will deduct it from your taxes at the end of the year. And typically you will pay higher deductibles on these plans. Most often these plans are HMOs. What that means is that you can only use those in your county and zip code, and you do need referrals to see specialists. You do also have to renew these plans yearly. The private insurance plans I offered are fixed rates. They won't change once enrolled. You can enroll at any time of the year, add on or drop coverage, and it is not based on your income. They are customizable with typically lower deductibles. The policies I offered can be used all over the US and or PPOs. The group policies I offer, you can take with you if you decide to leave the company without changing coverage, which means you do not have to elect for COBRA. You just pay the difference of the monthly premium that your employer was covering.
Christine, you certainly are knowledgeable about life insurance and health insurance. You know your business very well. I want to thank you for joining me today. And I know you have a digital business card, which I'll be posting below the podcast on my webpage. I also let the viewers know that you offer up to $100 referral for leads converted to clients. So that could be a good benefit for them as well. Thank you so much for spending time to me.
Thank you so much, Dan, for your time.
It's been a pleasure.